So this is our Lantana cheese and carrot and all sorts of things grater. We absolutely love it. It's about 18 months old, so it has had some good usage in the house. We are a big cheese household here, but you can use it for loads and loads of things. It also comes with this really handy container which sits very snugly on the bottom of the grater, which I'll show you in a second. So with this one here, you've got multiple, you've got 6 sides to this one. You've got your quite coarse one, which we tend to use the one for cheese because we like our cheese nice and chubby. You've got one there for slicing, and I use this one for cucumber. It cuts really thin, sandwich, sort of good for sandwiches, cucumbers, or if you do pickles or things like beetroot, that's a really good one to run through this one as well. You've got your super fine one here, which is good for things like nutmeg and garlic, things like that need a very fine grate. Then you've got this one here, which is great for making carrot shreds. You know, when you make a nice salad and you've got those very thin pieces of carrot, or if you've got radishes as well, it makes really nice thin radish slices. Then you've got your crinkle cutter, which again I use for things like beetroot. You can use it for cheese. If you want, you can use the other one for cheese slices as well. This one also does very good thin cheese slices as well. If you want to melt it, it's a good one to use to make it really nice and thin. And this one again, anything you like carrots, anything you want to have a nice beveled edge on it, it's really good. And then you've got your more finer grater here as well, which again is, you can use it for cheese, good for parmesan, this one. And you've got a nice sturdy handle. Top tip for you, if you have it on the side and you do your grating, you can just then have all of your contents inside and you can just tip it out. That's my top tip for a grater. If you don't do that and you want to store some, you've got 2 choices with this one. You can grate straight into the container. It sits perfectly on there like that, as you can see. So you can grate your business and then pop the lid on and pop it in the fridge if you're doing a little bit of prep. Say for example you want to do some carrot, you want to do some cucumber, you want to do a bit of onion, make your own little slaw, you could do that, pop the lid on and it's good to go, prepped, ready for you to go. Or you can just use it off the bat and pop the on there, and there is a measurer on the side here which is ever so handy if you are making a recipe and you want to say have X amount of grated carrot, X amount of grated cheese. This one is absolutely awesome. It's a really reliable, nice and sturdy. It's stainless steel, so it's not going to have any issues with that. And yeah, it has just been a really reliable, very solid. Look, you can put some pressure on it and it is solid and wonderful. Give it a good squeeze. And we do love this grater and we do recommend it.